Find integral x square plus 1 divided by x minus 1 the whole square into x plus 3 into dx. First நான் எப்படி எழுதிக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னா x square plus 1 divided by x minus 1 the whole square into x plus 3 into dx, which is equal to a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x minus 1 the whole square plus c divided by x plus 3. So obviously next step என்ன இருக்கும்? Denominator common ஆக்கணும். So x minus 1 the whole square into x plus 3. So cross multiple பண்ணனா a into x minus 1 into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 3 plus c into x minus 1 the whole square. LHS side என்ன இருக்கும்? x square plus 1 divided by x minus 1 the whole square into x plus 3. So next step என்ன பண்ண போறோம் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா comparing numerator. Comparing numerator. Numerator compare பண்ணக்குள்ள நமக்கு என்ன வேல்யூ கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்னா x square plus 1 which is equal to a into x minus 1 into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 3 plus c into x minus 1 the whole square. நமக்கு already இங்க denominatorல என்ன இருக்கு? x minus 1 the whole square, which means x minus 1 is equal to 0 na x ஓட வேல்யூ 1. x plus 3 is equal to 0 na x ஓட வேல்யூ minus 3. இந்த ரெண்டு வேல்யூவும் substitute பண்ணனும்னா எனக்கு a b c ஓட வேல்யூ find out பண்ணிடலாம். So first x is equal to 1 substitute பண்ணனா 2 is equal to a into 1 minus 1 என்னவாயிரும் 0. So 0 into anything 0 plus b into 1 plus 3 4 plus c into 1 minus 1 0. So 4b is equal to 2, which implies b is equal to 1 by 2. Next, put x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 in substitute பண்ணக்குள்ள minus 3 plus 1 the whole square, which is 10 is equal to a into இங்க x plus 3 இருக்கு. அப்ப minus 3 plus 3 என்னவாயிடும் 0. 0 into anything 0 plus b into x plus 3 அப்ப minus 3 plus 3 0. So plus c into minus 3 minus 1 the whole square, which is equal to minus 4 the whole square, which is equal to 16c. இதுல இருந்து நான் எதோட வேல்யூ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண போறேன்னா c ஓட வேல்யூ, which means 10 by 16, which is nothing but 5 by 8. Now what we have to compare is comparing the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. LHS side coefficient of x square என்ன இருக்கு? 1 இருக்கா? So 1 is equal to RHS side பார்த்தோம்னா x into x x square. So x square ஓட coefficient a இருக்கு. இங்க x minus 1 the whole square. அப்ப இங்கேயும் x square ஓட coefficient c இருக்கு, which is nothing. 1 is equal to a plus c. இதுல இருந்து எனக்கு a ஓட வேல்யூ வேணும், which means 1 minus 5 by 8, which is equal to 3 by 8. Now what we have to do is mark it as equation star. இப்போ equation star integral பண்ணா எனக்கு answer கிடைச்சிரும். So integrating equation star, which implies integral 3 by 8 divided by x minus 1 into dx plus integrating b ஓட value 1 by 2 divided by x minus 1 the whole square into dx plus c ஓட value 5 by 8 divided by x plus 3 into dx. So integral பண்ணோம்னா 3 by 8 1 by x minus 1 integral பண்ணோம்னா log of module x minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into இதை integral பண்ணோம்னா minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 5 by 8 into integral பண்ணோம்னா log of module x plus 3 plus ஒரு constant add ஆகும். This is our final answer.